I've never seen that boat in the harbor.
Oh
I moved here.
God.
It's got English plates. Most of them do.
Can you email me a picture of that?
I could.
Wow.
I'm taking a video right now.
Look at that thing.
I'll stick it on YouTube, but I'll send it to you.
I want one.
Attessa. I wonder. You can look up who's that.
You know
boat.
what? You can. You look that up
Right.
and it'll tell you. who
My-
owns it.
My landlord is kind of wealthy. He's a big boat. It's not with a helicopter, but it's big.
How do you land that right there? You don't land that.
Yeah, you do.
You land a
Of
helicopter
course.
that
Well,
low
what do you
area?
think? They,
Well, I mean, with a crane also. I mean, you could place on with that thing. I don't think they could land on that. I mean,
actually, you're
you have to-
right. That would be. Yeah, he can't.
That's a crane. You know, they have to put it on there. So, but then look at this. To take off, though. I mean, even taking off.
Oh my
You go
God.
straight up. Georgetown.
Wow. I gotta get that video, man.
I'll send you the picture, and
Wow.
the video is going to be long,
Look
but
at that.
I can send you where I'll put it on YouTube.
Look at what they can.
Don't touch your stuff.